it's the girl Tamara Renee. In today's video, I will be talking about this unit that I'm wearing. It was sent to me from Nadula Hair. I'm rocking their Brazilian straight hair in 20 inches. I did receive the hair like this. The two front pieces already came bleached. But yeah, in this video, I'll show you guys how I installed and straightened this hair. I will have all hair details listed in the description box below if I've missed anything, just in case for you guys. But without wasting any time, let's get right into this video. Today is from Nadula Hair. They sent me their 20-inch Brazilian straight hair. The pieces right here did come bleached. I did not do it myself, and I'll insert a clip. I actually got this unit where like the parting and the hairline were already, like the knots were already bleached for me, so I thought that was great because I didn't have to do it myself, so I thought that was a plus. I did co-wash the hair, so this is the hair in its natural state. So right now I'm just going to straighten it and get this top laid flat. I have my iron plugged in and ready to go. So you guys already know the routine on how I straighten my hair. Yeah, I'm really loving these two pieces right here. I can just see this bone straight. So let's get started. Also, I forgot to mention that this is it's 180% density, if I'm not mistaken, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal. But I will have the rest of the hair details, if I've missed anything, down below in the description box. this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really love how this hair turned out. I love the two blonde pieces right here in the front. It's just giving me so much life. As I said before, I will have all hair details listed in the description box below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.